Hello friends, today we will discuss the more applications of derivatives as rate measure. So through example we will discuss this topic. So we will take examples from exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Example number 8. In this example, we are given a spherical soap bubble is expanding so that radius is increasing at the rate of 0.02 centimeter per second. At what rate is the surface area increasing when its radius is 5 centimeter? So let R be the radius of spherical soap bubble. Let R is equal to radius of spherical soap bubble. Then area of bubble, then area of spherical bubble, as it is a sphere, bubble is A is equal to, what is 4 by 3 pi, area is given by 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Okay. So A is function of R. Given dr by dt is equal to 0.02 centimeter per second. Okay, and what we have to find? dA by dt when R is equal to 5 centimeter. So differentiating one with respect to t, one with respect to t. So here A depends on R and we have given R increases, radius increases at the rate 0.02 centimeter per second. Means A depends on R, therefore A is also function of t. When there is some change in R with respect to time, there is also change in A with respect to time. So your dA by dt is equal to dA by dt is equal to 4 pi is constant, derivative of R square is 2R into dr by dt. Okay. So this is nothing but 8 pi r dr by dt. So this is equal to 8 pi into 0.02 r is equal to 5 into 0.02. What will get this? Yes, काय ते value? 8 5s are 40, 40 into 2, 80, 2 decimal places. So we'll get 0.8 centimeter square per second. Oh, pi is also there. 0.8 centimeter square per second. So what you have to find out? Area increases at the rate, okay, therefore area of spherical bubble increases at the rate 0.8 pi centimeter square per second when r is equal to radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, next example is again of same type. 9. The surface area of spherical balloon increases at the rate of 2 centimeter square per second. At what rate the volume of balloon is increasing when radius of balloon is 6 centimeter? So let r be radius of spherical balloon. Let r be radius of spherical balloon. Okay, then area of balloon is A is equal to 4 pi r square area and volume, or phi is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Is it right? So these are the formulas. So what we have given here, dA by dt is given. Differentiating A and phi with respect to t. R is function of t. So dA by dt is equal to, what will get? 8 pi r dr by dt, and dphi by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into 3 pi r square dr by dt. This is given. Okay. For r is equal to, you are given r is equal to 6 centimeter. Oh, dA by dt is equal to 2 centimeter square per second. 2 centimeter per second. To find dphi by dt, is equal to, when r is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. From 1, 3 we get 2 is equal to 8 pi r dr bar by dt, which implies is, therefore dr bar by dt is equal to 2 upon 8 pi r is nothing but 1 by 4 pi r. Okay, this is 4. For r is equal to 6 from 2 and 4, dphi by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into 3 pi, this 3 here also get cancelled, 3 pi R is equal to 6 square into dr by dt is 1 upon 4 pi into, again R is nothing but 6. R is equal to 6. So this 1 6 get cancelled, this 3 get cancelled, 4 get cancelled, pi also get cancelled. So this answer will become 6 centimeter cube. It is given in terms of centimeter per second. Okay. So thus volume of spherical balloon, increases at rate 6 centimeter cube per second, or R is equal to 6 centimeter. Now next example, 10. What is given? Each side of equilateral triangle increases at the rate of √2 centimeter per second. Okay. So we have given equilateral triangle. Suppose this side is AAA. If I draw AM to be perpendicular, then this will become A by 2. And this angle is 60 degree. This is your 30 degree. So let A be the side of equilateral triangle. Side of equilateral triangle ABC. AM be perpendicular to BC. Okay. Then BM is equal to side opposite to 30 degree angle in right angle triangle AMB, and therefore BM is equal to, what will be BM is nothing but 1/2 times A, that is A by 2, and BM AM is equal to √3 by 2 A, side opposite to 60 degree angle. 60 degree angle. So we are getting this. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to A, if I just denote it by A, is 1/2 into base into height. So what is the base is A by 2 into √3 by 2A. Okay. So it will become √3A square by 8. Oh, what is the base? Base is just a here. So we'll get root 3 by 4. Right. Therefore, dA by dt, if I differentiate this, what will get? Root 3 by 4 is constant into 2a into dA by dt. Okay. Now what is given? Each side of equilateral triangle increases at root 2 centimeter per second. Okay. Side A increases at rate root 2 centimeter per second, and therefore dA by dt is equal to root 2 centimeter per second. Now what you have to find? To find the rate of increase in area when its side length is centimeter. To find dA by dt when A is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. So from 1 dA by dt is equal to root, this 2 to get cancelled again, root 3 by 2, A is nothing but 3 into dA by dt is root 2, and then this is equal to, if you simplify this, it will become 3 by 2, 3 into root 6 by 2. Oh, if I take it to be inside, so it will become under root of 9 into 6 by 4. Okay, 2 3s. So which is nothing but root of 27 by 2 centimeter square per second. Therefore, area increases at the rate. Therefore, area of triangle increases at rate root 27 by 2 centimeter square per second when R is equal to, or when A is equal to, side is 3 centimeter. Okay. Next example. Is it clear? Next one is given. The volume of sphere increases at the rate of 20 centimeter cube per second. Find rate of change of surface area when its radius is 5 centimeter. Okay. So let R be the radius of sphere. Okay. 11. Let R be radius of sphere. Then its area and volume R A is equal to, which is function of R, which is nothing but 4 pi R square, and volume is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Therefore, dA by dt we have given rate of change of area with respect to time. So dA by dt is equal to 4 pi into 2r into dr bar by dt, which is equal to 8 pi r dr bar by dt. What is your dv by dt? It is 4 by 3 pi into 3r square dr bar by dt. So this 3 get cancelled here, which is equal to 4 times pi r square dr by dt. So what is given here? Dr by dt. Oh, given dv by dt is equal to 20 centimeter cube in terms of centimeter per second to find dr by dv dA by dt when r is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. Okay, from 2 3, this 2 and 3, 20 is equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt, and therefore your dr bar by dt is equal to 20 upon, this is 5, so 5 upon pi r square. Okay, now dv by dA by dt is equal to 8 pi r dr bar by dt. So this is equal to 8 pi r is equal to 5 and dr bar by dt is 5 upon pi r square, means 5 square. This get cancelled, pi get cancelled. Okay, and this other 5 get also cancelled. So it is 8 centimeter square per second. Therefore, area, what is our question? Okay, area increases or changes, surface area changes, at the rate of 8 centimeter square per second.